One of the key themes from this year's survey is that insurers are continuing to see value by increasing their exposure to private assets in their portfolio. At Conning, we've been tracking the continued convergence of public and private markets and believe it continues to present opportunities for insurers to consider for their long-term investment strategy. We've seen insurers not only growing their overall allocations to private assets, but also diversifying among different strategies. Asset-based finance was expected to see the greatest increase in allocations among survey respondents. Insurers are also placing a much greater emphasis on utilizing capital-efficient structures and vehicles to access these strategies for their portfolio. In 2026, insurers should be looking to develop resilience in their portfolios as the macro environment evolves. While insurers remain optimistic generally about the investment environment, their list of concerns are evolving based off of our most recent survey findings. Their top 3 concerns included market and asset price volatility, the risk of a recession, and a return of inflation, which had fallen in last year's survey findings. Given these uncertainties and a varying set of concerns that insurers are reflecting on, we believe they need to think holistically about their balance sheet and design portfolios that can weather a range of economic environments. One of the more interesting aspects of this year's survey results was insurers' expectations for financial market performance and interest rates in the upcoming year. Generally, insurers see a constructive environment for risk assets and expect positive returns for equity markets. But insurers are also increasing their focus on the Fed and expect Fed policy to play a more significant role than they did in last year's survey when they're thinking about how they're going to be structuring their portfolios. Additionally, more respondents expected to see a significant reduction in long-term interest rates. In a potentially more volatile environment, aligning investment strategy with business needs remains as critical as ever for insurers.